Lattafa Asad is a budget fragrance that's often compared to Jar Savage Elixir due to its bold, spicy fougere DNA. It opens with a punchy blend of citrus and spice, followed by lavender and woody notes that mirror the structure of Elixir. The dry down leans into amber and patchouli, giving it a warm, masculine finish. While the composition isn't identical, the resemblance is strong enough to make Asad a popular dupe among fragrance enthusiasts. Performance is where Asad punches above its price. Users report solid projection and longevity, especially in earlier batches. The scent profile is slightly less refined than Elixir, with a more synthetic edge and less nuance in transitions. However, for the price point, it delivers a surprisingly rich experience. Packaging is sturdy, atomizer quality is decent, and the overall presentation feels premium for a budget release. It's not a clone in the strictest sense, but it's close enough to satisfy fans of the Elixir profile without the designer price tag. So I personally own a bottle of this, batch 2022. Projection is bomb, longevity holds strong, and the value is undeniable. Compared to Jar Savage Elixir, Asad feels like its little brother, same DNA, less polished, but is still a beast. For its price, it's a no-brainer.